So second class, this is second class. So the comparative study of substitution versus elimination reaction. So in this one example, you can see that it is a alkyl halide. The halide may be iodine or bromine or chlorine. So now this, if it is a elimination, you can see this, then now the bond will break like this. And now this is also alkyl sulfonate, OS double bond OSW, alkyl sulfonate, also better living group. And so this is called mesylyl, right? MESYLATE, mesylate. So like that. For example, methyl sulfonate and tosylate, because it is also better living group. Even triplet, that means trifluoro compound, also it is a better ring cleavage can taking place. So for example, in presence of alcohol and tosyl chloride, in presence of a pyridine as a base, so now compared to OH, if it is a tosylated substituted, so the now easily it can they break the bond, and so now it is a very good. So is a that retention configuration, you can see that. So now the retention product. So that means that, for example, it is a alcohol is a reaction with tosyl chloride in pyridine medium, so tosylate will be formed. And even you can see that it's a very weak nucleophile like sodium bromide. So if it is a primary alcohol, for example, alcohol and reaction with sodium bromide, and we know that no reaction. So if it is a directly alcohol reaction with sodium chloride or salt, so no reaction. So if it is substituted with tosylate and a reaction with sodium bromide, so that SN2 reaction is possible, and now the OH is substituted with Br. So there is a nucleophilic substitution reaction. And another one, so you can see tosylate is there and sodium hydroxide is there, and now OH minus, so now act as a nucleophile and SN2 reaction. So the major product is that SN2 product is the major, and eliminated product is minor product. And secondary tosylate and a reaction with, because I told that it is a secondary tosylate, and because of now it sodium hydroxide is base, so elimination product is a major product, and substituted SN2 product is minor product. And so for example, secondary alcohol tosylate and in presence of a strong base, now sodium ethoxide is a strong base, so that in presence of a strong base, so elimination product is a major product. Elimination is a major product. And even in the case of secondary tosylate, sodium hydroxide, so that the elimination product is the major product. Elimination product. And because of sodium hydroxide and tosylate, and so we can see that the major product is 1-pentene. So because of this one is a very good living group. So and another one, even in presence of a weak nucleophile tosylate, because no base sodium thiol, so substitution product is the major product. And in now the sodium hydride is a strong base and weak nucleophile, so strong base, so that elimination product by using of that sodium hydride, here hydrogen is there, and so that this is the more substituted product is a major product by using of sodium hydride. And another one, so you can see here alcohol is there, it is a secondary alcohol, and tosyl chloride pyridine medium, so that tosylate will form. And because of the base, now potassium tertiary butoxide, so now it is the very strong base, so now the elimination product is the major product. Elimination product is the major product. So now once we are using potassium tertiary butoxide, the product is, remember that potassium, if it is a sodium ethoxide and the product is that Sedgwick product, but we are using potassium tertiary butoxide, the product is that less substituted. So for example like this, so now this is the less substituted product is the Hoffman product. So now it is a potassium tertiary butoxide, so that it is a less substituted product. Hoffman product is the major product. So very interesting example here you can see that, for example, directly alcohol is there, tosyl chloride in place of pyridine medium, and now because of it is a primary alcohol, so substitution product is a major product using sodium ethoxide because SN2 reaction. So now here SN2 reaction. So if it is a primary, it is SN2 is the major than elimination reaction. And if alcohol and sodium bromide, I told, so no reaction, whereas alcohol reaction with hydrogen bromide, it can form alkyl halides. So now the primary alcohols, so now we know that this is the mechanism of this one is the so carbocation, it is SN1 reaction. So it you can see here it's a tertiary alcohol HBr, so it will form a hydronium ion, then loss of water. So what is important? So for example, if it is a dilute HCl, dilute sulfuric acid means, dilute means substitution reaction, concentrated sulfuric acid means elimination reaction is the major product. So that is the very important. So then another one, the product, the major product. So predict the major product. You can see now the alcohol is the tertiary alcohol in reaction with HBr, so that tertiary alkyl halide is the major product. So one of the important is that, for example, here alcohol, it is a tertiary alcohol but concentrated sulfuric acid under thermal conditions, so elimination product is the major. So please remember that if it is a dilute sulfuric acid, so that it is a substitution reaction, whereas concentrated sulfuric acid and under thermal condition alcohols undergoes elimination reaction. So very important here, you can see this is a tertiary alcohol reaction with HBr, so SN1 mechanism. So now this one is the H1 because it's a tertiary carbocation is more stable and tertiary alkyl halide is a major product. And if you can see that it is a now tertiary alcohol is there, and in presence of a concentrated sulfuric acid and thermal condition, so now tertiary carbocation is formed, and because of under thermal condition, so more substituted product is the major product and elimination reaction. So this is the elimination product. So now this is the secondary alcohol, concentrated sulfuric acid under thermal condition, so now the primary secondary carbocation is formed. So now this methyl shift, so that a secondary carbocation is converted to a tertiary carbocation, so that there is a rearrangement is possible, and finally we will get the more substituted alkene. And very important strategy is that, for example, we are taking alkyl halide and this is the synthesis of strategy. So what is the synthesis of strategy? Around 10 reactions we can cover in this slide. So alkyl halide reaction with sodium cyanide, it can form a Br is replaced with Cn. So this is a substitution reaction. And even so alkyl halide can be reacted with sodium acetate. So sodium acetate ester can form, esters can be RO, C double bond OCH3, and even alkyl halides reaction with thiol, sodium thiol alcohol, thiols can be formed. And so alkyl halide reaction with sodium ethoxide, so it is a primary alkyl halide, so SN2 reaction is there, and methoxy ethers can be obtained, ethers can be formed. So alkyl halides reaction with sodium alkoxides, it will form ethers. And if it is a very important is that, for example, primary alkyl halide reaction with sodium hydride. So now the sodium hydride is a very strong base, and so that elimination product alkene is the major product. And yes, so now the same alkyl halide and the reaction with sodium alcohol, means sodium hydroxide, also it produces alcohols. So then, so very important is that here we have two bases here, sodium hydride and sodium tertiary butoxide. So if it is a sodium hydride means Sedgwick product is a major. If it is tertiary butyl potassium oxide means it is a bulky base, so that Hoffman product is a major product. So then you can see here, for example, tosylate is there, and so that even in presence of a potassium tertiary butoxide, so elimination product is the major product. So very interesting example is that whether in which case the reaction is, whether it is a Sergio product or Hoffman product is a major. So for example, we are taking a tertiary alcohol reaction with HBr, we know that a tertiary alkyl halide can be obtained. So this tertiary alkyl halide reaction with sodium hydroxide, now the base sodium hydroxide or sodium methoxide or sodium ethoxide, so now the strong base we are using, and so that now because it is a tertiary, so elimination reaction is the major and Sergio product is the major product. So in the same alkyl halide, now the base is potassium tertiary butoxide, now strong base and weak nucleophile. So because of so because of the bulky base, Hoffman product is the major. Please identify. So now you can see the variation of this one. The product name is 1 2 3 4. So 2-methyl 2-butene, 2-methyl 2-butene is the Sergio product, whereas the so 1 2 3 4 2-methyl 1-butene, 2-methyl 1-butene is the Hoffman product. So Hoffman product is predominate only in presence of a bulky base. That point is very important. So even tertiary alcohols in presence of concentrated sulfuric acid undergoes elimination reaction, undergoes elimination product. And even you can see here, for example, alcohol is there, so directly elimination means it is a the product is yes. So even H2SO4 there is a rearrangement is there, but it is a concentrated, so that Hoffman product. So now the tertiary alcohols reaction with tosyl chloride in presence of a pyridine and tosylate and sodium hydroxide is there, so that now the more substituted product is the predominant. If you use the same potassium tertiary butoxide, so Hoffman product is major. So another reaction is alkyl halide is there, sodium methoxide, no SN2 reaction. So now ethers are formed. Now sodium acetate reaction with alkyl halide, so esters are product. So now we can see the example is that, for example, alkenes, electrophilic addition reaction, alkenes reaction with HBr, so in presence of a peroxide medium, if it is a peroxide, so now the less substituted bromine and reaction with sodium cyanide, so CN. So this is the how to, for example, the question is that how to prepare this following given example. So based on we have to look whether the reaction is Markovnikov product or anti-Markovnikov product. And so another important here you can see that acetylene in presence of a strong base it will form sodium acetylide, and further these acetylides can be reacted with alkyl halide. So this is also SN2 reaction and it can form higher alkynes. So higher alkynes. And you can see now, for example, tertiary butyl acetylene is there, reaction with sodium, and also how we can get this product because of sodium acetylene, a reaction with tertiary butyl bromide, so we can get the product. So that's why, because sodium acetylide is a very weak base, sodium acetylide is weak base, so no elimination reaction, so substitution reaction is expected. And tertiary alkyl, you can see secondary bromine in presence of sodium cyanide and DMF as a solvent, and it is a CN. Now a substitution reaction, cyanide can be expected, means there is a SN2 reaction. Yes. So yes. So now how to prepare this? So tertiary butoxymethane, how we can prepare this one? Because there is a, for example, we are taking tertiary alkyl halide and sodium methoxide, but the product because now it can act as a strong base. So now the elimination product isobutene is the product, so we won't get by taking up this one. So how to get this one? So by reaction with methyl iodide, now sodium methoxide, so now the SN2 reaction is possible, so that this is the substituted product can be possible. And here, so bromine is there, it is a secondary bromine, a reaction with sodium hydroxide, so trans product is a major. And so this is also a bulky group, even though it is a bulky group, but now because of this side, both side is a no beta hydrogen, so no beta hydrogen, so that the product is this one. So majority, if it is a sodium hydroxide Sergio product, bulky base, then the reaction is like you can see here. So predict the major product of each of the following reaction. You can see here bromine is there, but here alpha carbon and beta. So if it is a beta elimination by using of sodium hydroxide, now more substituted product, this is a Sergio product and Sergio product. Whereas now the same compound by using of a bulky base, please remember it is a bulky base, so that now the one hexene, 1 2 3 4 5 6, one hexene, so now one hexene is the Hofmann product. So and very important, you can see this is also one of the best example. So in presence of a sodium hydroxide and heat, so elimination, now the more substituted product is the Sergio product. Whereas the same product in presence of a tertiary butoxide, now less substituted product. It is a tri-substituted alkene, it is a di-substituted alkene, so now this one is Hofmann product. So these are the competition between substitution as well as substitution versus elimination. Thank you.